Poco F8 Ultra versus Xiaomi 17 Pro. The Poco F8 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display with an impressive 91.8% screen-to-body ratio, offering a larger canvas and vibrant visuals at 120 Hz with Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 17 Pro features a slightly smaller 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED screen, but with a higher pixel density, some 464 ppi, and a unique secondary 2.7-inch AMOLED back display that adds a futuristic twist for notifications and quick interactions. The Poco's sheer size and immersive front display make it ideal for media lovers, while Xiaomi's innovative rear screen offers multitasking flair. Both peak at 3500 nits brightness, ensuring visibility in any light. Under the hood, both run on the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, fabricated on a 3nm process, delivering blazing fast performance and efficiency. The CPU configurations are nearly identical, with octa-core setups hitting up to 4.6 GHz, paired with the same Adreno 840 GPU. This means gaming, multitasking, and heavy workloads will feel seamless on either device, making performance a tie in this battle. Poco F8 Ultra shines with 50-watt wireless charging, Bose-tuned stereo speakers delivering immersive sound, and the latest HyperOS 3 based on Android 16 for a smooth, feature-rich user experience. Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with ultra-wideband UWB support for precise spatial connectivity, AI-powered real-time translation and editing tools, plus a vapor chamber cooling system ensuring sustained performance. Poco leans into premium audio and charging speed, while Xiaomi emphasizes smart connectivity and thermal management. Both phones sport an impressive triple 50-megapixel camera setup, but Xiaomi 17 Pro edges ahead with a ToF 3D sensor, enhancing depth perception, and a slightly larger sensor size for the main wide lens, promising sharper and more detailed shots. Video capabilities are robust on both, with 8K recording at 30 FPS and advanced HDR support. But Xiaomi's addition of 10-bit Dolby Vision HDR and log recording adds a professional-grade video flair. The Poco F8 Ultra impresses with its periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, paired with dual-pixel PDAF and OIS for crisp zoomed shots. Xiaomi 17 Pro ups the ante with Leica Summilux optics, laser autofocus, a color spectrum sensor, and an industry-leading 16.5 EV dynamic range, delivering superior color accuracy and low-light performance. Xiaomi's camera system is clearly built for photography enthusiasts seeking the highest quality. Poco F8 Ultra packs a larger 6500 mAh battery compared to Xiaomi 17 Pro's 6300 mAh Li-ion cell, promising longer endurance, especially for heavy users who prioritize screen time and gaming sessions. This capacity advantage could be a decisive factor for power users. Both models feature premium glass fronts and aluminum frames, but Xiaomi's use of dragon crystal glass on the front and fiberglass on the back adds a unique blend of durability and lightweight feel. Poco sticks to reinforced glass but focuses on a classic sturdy build. Xiaomi's materials may offer a more refined tactile experience. In terms of durability, both are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, capable of immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This ensures peace of mind against everyday spills and rain for either device. Memory options are identical for both, ranging from 256 GB with 12 GB RAM up to a whopping 1 TB with 16 GB RAM, catering to power users and heavy multitaskers alike. Storage won't be a bottleneck on either device.